Hi everyone, I'm Sel Bliss and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through my habit tracker Notion template and show you how to use it step by step. This template includes a to-do list, automated weekly and daily tracker using checkboxes, 2 daily routine trackers, and a monthly summary to track your progress. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. In this video, I'll give you a detailed explanation of how to use this template, even if it's your first time. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the link provided in the description of this video, which will take you to my Gumroad shop. From there, you can purchase the template. You can get it for free by typing 0. But if you'd like to support my channel and the creation of these templates, feel free to add any amount you'd like. Click on Add to Cart, enter your email address, and click on Get. Click on the image to open the Notion template and click on Duplicate. Mine didn't say duplicate, but yours should, so don't pay attention to that. As you can see, there are 2 different tables to keep the progress of habits, a weekly habits view and a monthly habits view. There's also a daily habits view, but we will not worry about it since, look at this. They're connected, they're the same, just different views, so don't worry about that. First, we're going to come to our weekly habit tracker, and we're going to click on here, on this little button on the right checkbox. Yes. Paste the icon. This is my new habit, but how do I connect this new habit to here and to here? Well, it's pretty simple actually. Remember we used a sun, right? Well, here we're going to come to our monthly summary view and click on New Template. We're going to add an icon and put the same icon we put on our weekly view. Get up early. Now we're going to set up all these things. We're going to ignore this one monthly goal. How many times in the month do you want to record this habit? For example, 31 days, like all the days of the month. That's okay. We're going to ignore this and on status if it's a habit that you're building or a mastered habit. Now that we have created our template, we're going to click anywhere outside this little box. Now we're going to come to this little wheel next to this button. Click on an Add Other step. Add the page 2. Select database. Of course, we're going to choose monthly habit summary, and we're going to select the template we just created. Click on Done. Come to the 3 dots, Properties, and just show in gallery all of your icons. Now on to the routines. We're going to move them to the side here so it can be easier for us to saw them. These views work differently than the habit tracker. On this one, you may think that these are 2 different databases, but they are the same one, which means that they use the same properties. For example, you can see I have a drop here and here, teeth. It's because they share the same, but each one of them have some special properties. How do I do this? I come to the properties in here and I create all the properties I want, all the steps I want for my routines, both the morning routine and the evening routine. For example, I wash my face 2 times on the day. The point is I wash my face, it doesn't matter how many times, so I'll put it just 1 time. And for example, this 2 is flossing my teeth and acids. So this is on the evening routine, that's why it's hidden in gallery on the morning routine. But if you come and see the evening, you can see they're both here. You see? So if you want to add a new property, just go to Properties, on the 3 dots here, Properties, New Property, and checkbox. always use checkboxes. And step 1 and step 1 can be both here and in here. If you want to add it to your evening routine, or the other one, just go to properties again and click on show, and it will show here. Or if you don't want it to show, just click on the eye again and it won't show. It's pretty easy. And after setting both of them up, you can just grab them back to their original place. Okay, let's get into how to use this template. I don't have like a lot of things to explain since this template is pretty much automated. How to record a new day. This habit tracker is automated, so that each day an entry is created automatically at the middle of the night, meaning you don't have to manually create one every day. When you want to record a new day, you have to fill in the boxes for the habits you've completed. For example, I drank water today and I got up in the morning today. And then I want to come to the habits column, click on here, and I'm going to link get up early and drink water. Also, always check the month, because then you're going to mess up the monthly progress. And how to start a new month. This actually is pretty easy. You just have to come to all months, click on start a new month, and select all your habits of that month. Okay, and click here. You're going to see that you have these options. Click on month and click on the month you're in right now. Then we can go to month summary, click on filter, and change the month to February, January, whatever you want. For last but not least, the simplest one. This is pretty manual. You just have to erase, type, and check, uncheck, and do whatever you want to. It's pretty easy. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, but thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can visit my Gumroad shop using the link in my description. I'm going to be posting a new video, a new template every single week, so stay tuned for more Notion templates.